In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete the GatesFX account. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside GatesFX dashboard, you want to click on the help desk at the very top right, and then this will take you over here to where you can basically open a ticket. So click on add new ticket at the far right. And then here you can basically select the category, which should be accounts over here. Of course, if it's more relevant to select anything else, in case you can see it, you can select that as well. And then the title over here, just type in something like account closure or something like that. And then where it says describe your problem, you want to type in I want to delete my GatesFX account or something like this. If you want to delete a specific trading account, you could also attach files or images to actually show which account you mean. So like a screenshot or something like this. But of course, if you want to delete the entire account, just let them know you want to delete the account altogether. So that's how you do it. You then press submit and you're good to go. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.